Hello, it is Cheap Nails. Happy New Stay Frugal with Nail Art, and here at this channel I love using affordable products, so consider subscribing. And in this video I'm going to be doing a review of the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover. So let's begin. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put 1 drop of it on each of my nails, and you can let that set in and soak for like 3 to 5 minutes to really soften your cuticles. And then I'm going to take my wood stick and I'm going to kind of take that like pointy end of the wood stick, and I'm just going to kind of scrape all that dead skin away, and then I'm going to take the flat end and just gently push back my cuticles. This Blue Cross Cuticle Remover, I gotta say the whole name, works really well. I really like it, and it's a good affordable price because I bought it off of eBay for $5.43, and I'll put the link in the description. And I've been using it for a while now, and it is 6 ounces, and I thought that was a good like amount of it, because I always want to buy in more of a bulk so I don't run out. So I really like how it's 6 ounces for only $5, and it works very well, so I definitely recommend it. And here I'm just gently pushing it back, and usually I take a little bit of while just to really get that dead skin away, and this is what it looks like. See all that dead skin? It kind of lifted it up, the cuticle remover. And I'm gonna just take some toilet paper and just kind of dust that off, and then I like to take some white vinegar and a cotton ball, and then I usually just rub my nails with that, because white vinegar is a good nail dehydrator, and we want to get rid of all that dead skin that we removed with the cuticle remover. And then I'm gonna just take a new piece of toilet paper and just wipe it off. I usually make sure that I use toilet paper that is clean and it's not so fuzzy. You know, like some toilet paper is just kind of fuzzy. I try not to use that toilet paper because then it kind of sticks to your nails, and I don't like that. It leaves a little bit of a residue. And now I'm gonna put on my base coat, and my nails are ready to be painted. So that's what I usually use as my cuticle remover, is this Blue Cross, and I really like it. I think it's a really good cuticle remover, so I definitely recommend it. You guys can tell me if you like this style of video down in the comment section down below, and I'm so glad you're watching this video with me now, because it right now is so hard to voice over. My computer is not working, so I almost didn't voice over this video because it does not want to like load when I'm trying to voice over. So these nails are done, and I use that Blue Cuticle Remover, and I've been loving it, so I definitely recommend it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'm gonna stop rambling on now. I'll put the Blue Cuticle Remover down in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!